Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Archery Eco Park. I'm here currently assembling all the target with Mr. Hafiz. So we have the Puta, we have the Soldier, the Bhutanese Target, Malaysian Target and the Korean Target. So let's see how it looks like and how we are actually building this. This is EVA foam, high medium density, and we have about 2.5 inches, 3 inches of medium density foam. So this will be laminated together, and that is the actual thickness. So based on our testing, it easily stops an arrow from a 50-pound bow, and we hope to have all this ready by end of the week. So we have the Soldier target. This is the Puta target. It's really big. We have the Korean target. This is the actual size. Then we have the Malaysian target as well as the Bhutanese target. So we are building all this, and we will be installing it here at the Archery Eco Park for the tactical and historical areas. If you're interested to have your own historical targets, we can actually build it for you. We are opening these targets for pre-order, so if you're interested, please contact us at Eureka Archery. And we're going to show you the price is actually very, very affordable. And it is exclusively made here in Malaysia, and we're hoping if you're interested, place some orders, we'll make it for you custom for a special price. So Mr. Hafiz, what are you doing?
Yeah, right now I'm doing a base for the Puta target.
Right.
And almost done, but it breaks during the process, so we are fixing it right now.
So that is how big the Puta target is. It's huge. But we're going to use this for long-range targets. So this is a lot different than the standard target face that you have, which is roughly 90 centimeters. This is the full size, 120 by 100. And we're doing this with layered foam to make sure that arrows doesn't pass through. And it is durable, heavy, and it serves its purpose really, really well. So just a walkthrough. We have here the 3 Soldier targets laminated. So this is really, really tough stuff. Yeah, we have the other Puta, and down here we have the multiple Bhutanese target. Now this is the special one. This is the Malaysian target. Alright, so we're going to test the Soldier target. It's laminated, and the bow we're going to use today is a weigh 39 pounds Turkish design with the Taurus arrows. So let's try it out. Target seems to be holding pretty well. So let's see how it works. So from a 39-pound bow, and the arrow speed is roughly 185 FPS, that's 185, and it barely pierces through. It's about a palm's width, but that was shot at a very close distance of about only 3 meters. So usually for this target, we plan to use it for the horseback game, which is 11 meters, 6 meters, and 11 meters. There's an angle through it. So you're supposed to be seated on a horse or a wooden horse, and you're supposed to shoot at these 3 targets. So this is how it looks like. This is a warrior silhouette, and comparing it to my physique, it is almost lifelike. Really solid, and this is printed on, making it really, really good for 3D archery in the forest. So let's check out the other targets once it's done.
Yeah, right now I'm tracing the back lamination for the Puta target, and right now is the final process of the making this target.
Right,
me the back side of the target, and now it's finished. And yeah, we should hang it up on the stand right now.
Okay, so Hafiz is gonna try to carry it himself. It's a hefty puta. So we're gonna put it on the bamboo tripod that he has built. So for this one, I may have to assist him, or maybe he can do it.
Try do it myself. Okay, thanks.
Yaudah. Okay, there we go. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. The Turkish Puta with the bamboo tripod. So Mr. Hafiz, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm very happy with the result that we achieved. Because this is made by us, and this target also we DIY. And yeah, hope we can shoot it.
Right, so I'm going to shoot it after this, and Mr. Hafiz is going to hold the camera, so we'll see how it works. Okay. So after a few hours of laminating the foam, piecing it up together, and putting the Puta face on it, we're going to try it out with this very Turkish on against the Turkish Target. Now from here, it is actually really big, but the main distance that we're going for is about 40 to 50 meters. But we just want to try out how well it works. So let's try with the first arrow. So far, it's holding the arrow very well. So let's try to get the 10. So that's right in the middle. Now let's try to get the 8. So let's check it out. So really nice, and it barely pierces through at the back. And how easy is it to retrieve? Oh, this is a bit hard. High density foam. First arrow. Second arrow. And last arrow. Wow, that's really tough. Now let's try this one more time. So let's try this again. So we're gonna go for the 10. So let's try the 10 again. And the last arrow. Oh, miss. Never mind. Let's take a look. So it really holds really well, and the whole bamboo tripod thing is really solid. So this is one of the targets here at Archery Eco Park. So ladies and gentlemen, once we are open, we welcome you here to try out the targets that we have built. Other than that, my name is Anwar Matsad, and today Mr. Hafiz is assisting me in building this Puta and the stand. Anything else? We are Eureka Archery. Like, subscribe and share. We're both on Facebook and on YouTube. Be an archer today.